morning. We're going to swap meet today with Papa.
Mom, what's it called?
To swap meet. It's called swap meet. Yeah, my dad has to go get something else in the house, so that's what he's doing. Oh, I'm tired walking back and forth. I keep forgetting stuff. Whew. But not ready. Okay, my dad's coming, so see you guys later.
Yes, Dad.
He's a troublemaker in front of the camera. Harry, where are we? Say swap meet. Papa always looking at tools over there. Already bought some stuff. Don't know what it is though. Some pineapple limoy. Limoy pineapple. You want more? Ilya and her like it. Oh, okay, let me give you. Erze, stop doing that. If you bang something and something falls, you're gonna get in trouble. We're now in Pearl Ridge. We have to return stuff. Huh? Look straight. Yeah, you were just laughing. Papa's this way. That's why I said pay attention. Look, look, look. You're gonna bang the table. Here you go, fashion girl. You look, get up back over here. You're looking in the way. Back it up, back it up. This we're not getting food. My dad's walking back. We're gonna go Chonwa Camp, too crowded. And now we came to Honolulu Kitchen, but I guess it's too crowded too because he's right here now. We ended up at McDonald's. Everywhere was crazy packed. What you eating, Abby?
Chicken nuggets.
This is from my brother for Ari. So we used it today. And then I bought a new one at the swap meet because mine is getting kind of nasty. I know you can do like warranty and turn it in, but too much work for me, so I just bought a new one. She's just throwing a fit. No, you don't need to touch it. Here, you can touch your own. Because we forgot Ari's purple one at the park. Show her how to drink it. Put the part in her mouth. Okay, that's upside down. Jesus, yeah. You can't leave it on the ground. Give her this one then, because if she knocks it down, it's going to spill everywhere. So you used to do when you were a baby. You used to spill everywhere. I need to fix it. You hear that dinging? It keeps saying that my keys are in the car, but it's not in the car. And it won't shut up. And sometimes, like, when I'm trying to lock my car, it won't lock because it keeps saying the key is in the car. Oh my god. So then I sometimes have to, like, manually push down all the freaking locks. And it's so irritating.
Mommy, this is so tight.
It's so tight? Oh, because your jacket? No, it's good. Let's put this under. So we're headed to the store. Ilya actually finally fell asleep. It was freaking a struggle. You can watch TV. It was actually a struggle because we went to swap meet, and swap meet and being in the sun is already so freaking tiring. So like I was exhausted. When I came home, Nikki was still exhausted. But I bought him home food from McDonald's. And then now we're on our way to the store because I told Ari that I would buy her ice cream. But we have a lot of steak left, like it's cooked already. And then Nikki was gonna take some for work, but he was like, how about you just go buy things to make fajitas so we can have that tomorrow. So I'm gonna go get that. So tomorrow in the morning when Nikki's hungry, I don't have to freaking rush to the store with both girls. So Ilya's taking a nap, so my dad's watching her. And we're gonna go get fajitas. My dad wants me to buy him tomatoes and some chips.
Ice cream.
Yep, and Ari wants ice cream. So I told her she'll get ice cream if she's a good girl. What am I looking at? What is wrong with this mirror? Who knocked that down? The mirror to see the girls. I have like a separate mirror on the side to see the girls. Like their car seats, but it's like facing the ground. Oh, I hate when cars block like the whole freaking way. When I just want to basically turn. Like, you're a dum-dum. Can you just stay on your left side of this wall? I wasn't gonna go, but somebody's crossing the street. Yep, we're going to the store and that's about it. So I don't know if I'll vlog in the store. Most times I don't remember to, or I'm too ashamed, but I'll try. Oh, we gotta put gas too. Put gas later.
Put gas?
Okay, we'll see you guys in the store. No, we're not gonna put gas. Put gas another day. I'm too lazy to go down for gas. I love you. Okay, we're gonna watch some Shimmer and Shine and we'll see you in the store.
A new one apple.
Let me get Papa's. Okay. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm trying to think of what else goes in there. Strawberries?
Strawberry.
Oh, you don't need to. Yes. What do you want? Okay, let's go get your ice cream. And we are done. Sorry. Your mom's gonna get this. It's buy one, get one free. So you choose one and it can be free. But look on the bottom too. You want this vanilla? Or you want this one? Everybody wants vanilla, so I'm gonna change this out. No vanilla. Okay, let's go. I think we got enough. Overdid it. So I bought things for fajitas. We had adobo for dinner. Yes, sorry. After, okay. Thursday's asking sweet candy. And basically that's the night the girls already showered. I'm gonna shower when Elia goes to sleep, or maybe have my dad watch her. And we'll see you in the next video. This is like her 4th bowl already. Of it's just like the sauce from the adobo.
What is this?
Adobo rice.
Double what?
Adobo rice.
White rice?
Yeah, white rice.
Are you eating adobo from
What?
right?